Hi everybody, so this is on electrolytic cells. Now electrolysis, please pause this, write down the definition. We just talked about it. This is an electrolytic cell. It uses to cause a chemical change, we have to have an electrical energy. So in this case, you're looking for a battery. Make a note, looking for a battery, looking for something plugged into a wall, looking for a charge. Pause and write down this definition. Okay, here are your two main types of cells. You have a voltaic cell. Spontaneous redox reaction causes the flow of electrons. Make a note. This is on table J. The electrons flow downhill. The electrons will flow from most active to least active. The electrolytic cell is electrons are pushed by an outside power source such as a battery. Add to that, this is also on table J, the electrons will flow uphill. They flow from least active to most active. It is a forced electron move. That's why we need an outside power source. Fill in your table. These are some differences. Voltaic cell is what you're usually going to see, but sometimes you'll see the word galvanic. And the cathode is positive, the anode is negative. And this is where your red cat and an ox comes in. Please note, huge difference here. Everything is opposite when it comes to an electrolytic. Electrons flow the opposite direction. The cathode is negative. The anode is positive. We have a battery. Everything is opposite when it comes to electrolytic. So we've got a couple different types of electrolysis that we're going to take a look at. One of the things we can do is the electrolysis of water. The electrolysis of water is taking water and turning into oxygen gas and hydrogen gas. Pause and write down the reaction. Next one is the electrolysis of brine. Brine is a salt solution. It's a sodium chloride solution. That is it. We're dissolving table salt into water. It conducts electricity. So we've got all of these different things happening. Read through them. And electroplating is one of the reasons we do this. There's going to be some questions about electroplating, silver plating tea sets, electroplating nails or screws that get used outside. That was the old way before they were able to do all the powder coating that they do today. Electroplating is a type of electrolytic. It protects the surface of the base metal because we're reversing the electron flow, so we're coating that spoon. And the final one is electrorefining. It's how we get ultra pure metals, lead, silver, copper. We have an impure metal and we run that power source. We reverse that electron flow on table J and we oxidize them. It is oxidized and then reduced. We go through both to make a very pure metal.